Hello students, let's learn multiplication of binomial by binomial. This is very important. It will be useful to 8th standard, 9th standard, 10 even further. Multiplication of binomial by binomial. See, multiply 3x plus 5y and 5x minus 7y. This expression has two terms, so binomial. Another expression also with two terms, so binomials. That is why multiplying the binomial by a binomial. Okay, let's see how to multiply 3x plus 5y into 5x minus 7y. So in this two questions we are going to see. In first question I'll write with steps, in second one we'll do shortly in second question. So first question let me write with steps. So how to multiply a binomial by another binomial? Take the first term of the first expression. Take the first term of the first expression. So 3x multiply by the second expression 5x minus 7y within the bracket to be placed, because with single term you are going to multiply with two terms, so we will be placing in bracket, we know very well. So what is the first step? Take the first term of the first expression, multiply by the second expression, so 3x into 5x minus 7y. Then second term of the first expression, so plus 5y with sign, very important. If you just do directly you multiply like this, not like that, with sign. Here pick up the sign. If plus comes plus, minus comes minus, plus 5y. Second term of the first expression, second term of the first expression to be multiplied by the second expression. So 5y into, so there is no space, let me write like this, 5y into 5x minus 7y. Once again I say, to multiply a binomial by a binomial, take the first term of the first expression, multiply by the second expression. See, 3x into 5x minus 7y within the bracket to be placed. Then plus 5y, second term of the first expression with sign. Here plus comes mean plus, minus comes mean minus. So plus 5y with this term to be multiplied by the second expression, plus 5y into 5x minus 7y. Now when you look at this, we need to open the bracket, is it or not? We learnt already the next step. By opening bracket we can proceed the next step. So now let's open the bracket. So 3x into 5x, we get 15x square, is it? 3 5s are 15, x into x, x square. Then plus into minus, here plus is hiding, plus bracket, when bracket represent multiplication, is it? So plus into minus, minus 3 7s are 21, x into y, xy. Because this is a different variable, both are different variables, so x into y, xy only. So we opened this bracket. So now plus 5y into 5x minus 7y. So again distributivity, plus into plus, plus into plus, plus 5 5s are 25 xy, because x into y, 5 5s are 25, y into x, yx or xy, alphabetical order xy. Then plus into minus, minus 5 7s are 35, y into y, y square. We opened the bracket. So now we need to see, is there any like terms to be simplified? Is there any like terms to be simplified? Here x square term, just find out, is there any other x square term? No, is it? This is x square term, but no other x square term to simplify, to group. And next xy term, and just find out, is there any other xy term? Of course, these two are like term, xy terms, they are like, so they are like terms, so these can be simplified. So now next step, x square cannot be simplified further. So 15x square, then here these two are like terms, is it, xy terms, so we can simplify the numerical values. minus 21 plus 25, unlike subtract, greater number sign, so 4, is it, so 4xy, can we write 4xy plus 4xy plus 4xy, then y square further, because no other term to simplify, so minus only, no, minus 35y square, that's all. So once again we write like this. First step, very simple, very easy also. We write like this, then we are opening the bracket. After opening the bracket, check whether is there any like terms to be simplified further. If there is nothing, that's all. This is the final step. If there is anything to be simplified with like terms like this, we need to simplify. Then we get finally like this, 15x square plus 4xy minus 35y square. So one more question, let's see. Multiplying a binomial by a binomial. So here you can see with two terms. First we will take the first term of the first expression. It is to be multiplied by the second expression, is it? So here plus, so need not to worry about the sign. So I am taking this 3x square, I am going to multiply with these two terms by distributivity. So 3x square, like this, actually I told you to do shortly, but let's write like this until we get the step properly. Okay, so we are taking the first term of the first expression to be multiplied by the second expression. Okay, then pick up this plus y square into, I don't have space here, into 2x square plus 3y square. Okay, so now once you write this, we need to open the bracket, is it? So now opening bracket, because here everything plus, so need not to worry about the sign. So 3 2s are 6, x square into x square, x power 4. 3 2s are 6, x square into x square, x power 4, because base same. Then plus into plus, 3 3s are 9, x square into y square, it remains same because base different, x base, y base. So x square, y square, we multiply only. Okay, then we opened this bracket. Now plus, because plus into plus, and 1 2s are, here 1 remains, 1 numerical coefficient, and here 2, 1 2s are 2, y square into x square, of course y square into x square or x square into y square, we write by alphabetical order. So we multiplied these two, 1 2s are 2, x square into y square, x square y square, plus, because plus into plus, then 1 3s are 3, y square into y square, y power 4. So after opening the bracket, check whether is there any like terms. Here x power 4, there is no other x power 4, and x square y square term, yes, here also x square y square term, both are like terms. They are like terms, so we can simplify. Plus 9 plus 2 plus 11. So 6x power 4. 6x power 4. When you simplify this, 11 x square y square, because they are like term. That's why we added, we simplified. Then plus 3 y power 4. That's all. So to multiply a binomial by a binomial, first step, if you know, then you can simplify further. What is the first step? Take the first term of the first expression, multiply by the second expression. See how did we do? Like this. Then plus means the second term. Take the second term with sign. Plus means plus, minus means minus here. Take the second term, multiply by the second expression like this. Then open the bracket, simplify, then we can get the answer.